Stand in front of the outer box, cut the packing tape, take out the product and accessories in turn. Please read all instructions before using. For best results, tidy up before cleaning by removing smaller objects and be mindful of flat, straight cables. Remove the protection films and the top cover. Pull out the handle, take out the filter and unpack the package. Turn on the power switch below the AIRBOT filter to eye-end and install the filter in a horizontal orientation. Remove protective materials of charging dock. Open the back cover of the charging dock, adjust the length of the power cord, connect the power cord. Place the charging dock on a level floor surface against a wall, with the base perpendicular to the ground. Place the AIRBOT within 1 meter in front of the charging dock. Press and hold the standby button on the control panel for 3 seconds. AIRBOT will return to charge automatically. Please make sure charge AIRBOT for a minimum of 4 hours before the first use. Download the ECOVACS Home App. You can also search for ECOVACS Home in App Store to download the app. After installation and registration, log in and follow the prompts of the app to configure the network. Select the room you want to monitor. Connect the air quality monitor and the power cable, and plug the cable into a USB outlet or an adapter with a USB port. Open the app and scan the QR code on the monitor. The Wi-Fi light will be glowing in white when the network is successfully connected. Make sure AIRBOT stays connected to the charging dock and keeps charging before the first mobile purification. Open ECOVACS Home App to start purification. When purification is enabled, AIRBOT will firstly explore the home environment to create a map. Once the mapping is completed, it will start purification automatically. You can also activate the YIKO voice assistant to open the purification operation. Return to the main screen in ECOVACS app, enter into Map Management, Air Quality Monitor to select the corresponding area to complete the binding. When Air Quality Monitor detects excessive value of PM 2.5 or VOC, AIRBOT will turn on the linked purification and automatically go to the purification area bound with Air Quality Monitor to purify. You can double-click the button on the top of the air monitor to call AIRBOT to purify. You can also use YIKO Voice Assistant or ECOVACS Home App to operate the functions. Click Bluetooth Settings in the app settings. Connecting Bluetooth to play music according to the app prompts. At this time, AIRBOT will become your home stereo sound mobile speakers. Press and hold the standby button for 3 seconds. AIRBOT will automatically return to the charging dock. Press and hold the standby and microphone buttons for 5 seconds at the same time. AIRBOT will turn on or off the child lock and provide feedback with the corresponding voice. Thanks for watching. For more information, tap the Help section of the app settings.